Good evening, my name is Julia Eka Putri, and today I would like to show you how to use a stapler. First, open the stapler. Most staplers are top-load staplers. To open this, grip the base of the stapler, then pull the top of the stapler until it lifts open, and the staple tray is revealed. Second, load the stapler. Insert the recommended staples, placing the pointy legs first into the staple tray. Push the top of the stapler down until it clicks into place to close top-load stapler. Like this. Gather up to 20 pieces of paper. This is the amount most manual, desktop, and electric staplers can bind, but heavy-duty staplers can handle up to 100 or more pieces. Be sure papers are all facing the same way and are on in the order you want to bind them in. Put the upper left edge of the stack of paper in the stapler's mouth. The staple is going to come out of the stapler ejection gap, so place the part you want to staple under it. Press down firmly and quickly on the top of the stapler. Then, let go of the stapler top and your paper should be bound. Check to make sure that the staple has bound the paper. You can remove the staple if it is not in the location you want it, if it is loose, or if it is bent. Pry open the staple legs, then pull the staple out and try to stapling it again. Unjam the stapler if necessary. Stapler often jam if you try to staple too many papers or if a staple bends in an unexpected ways. Open the stapler and use tweezer, pliers, or a similar tool to pull out any jam staples. This. Unplug electronic stapler before fixing any jam.